So I'm here with Steve Mayo from North Carolina Manufacturing, and Steve is a brand new recipient of the Incumbent Worker Training Grant produced by the Eastern Carolina Workforce Development Board. And Steve, what are our trainees receiving training on today?
Well, thank you, Eric. Behind me, in the background here, we have training on a sinker EDN machine. And what this machine does, it utilizes electricity along with a graphite electrode to burn into metal. Anything that conducts electricity can be put on this machine. Some of its uses include for molds and dyes, and it's for when you cannot use conventional machining. So this is technology that allows us to do unconventional machining in these areas and utilizing electricity and graphite materials.
That's great. So what's going to be the benefit of these certifications for you folks? I know you had some folks that were certified before, adding more people who are able to use this technology. How is that going to benefit North Carolina Manufacturing?
Well, Eric, that's a good question. And what that does is that expands our capacity as needed, and having more people trained on this technology, on this machine, will allow us to have more capacity in what we do. And it goes along with what we do already. We cross-train. We have several people who can move to machine centers and CNC lathes and manual work, and that keeps us versatile in what we do.
We've got 4 brand new people coming online that's going to be certified in this technology. So that'll mean you'll have how many people total?
We'll have a total of 4.
Total of 4. So
yes,
this will be your only folks. That's great.
Yes.
That's awesome. And down the road, what does this mean for you as far as getting contracted with new customers?
Well, it definitely increases our capability in doing this kind of work. Also, it helps us with more complex parts. Like I mentioned before, this is unconventional type machining, and in order to do it efficiently and effectively, we have to use this kind of machine to do some of the items that's out there.
So for our trainees, what's this going to mean as far as pay raises?
Well, that's a very good question, Eric. It means that their skills are expanded. The most inexperienced person on the team see their increase in pay?
We're looking at 6 to 9 months. That's great. All right. Well, thank you, Steve. I'm excited for you and your team and the new certifications and what it's going to mean to you.
Thank you, Eric.
Thank you.